Congratulations on owning your first car. As exciting as it is to hit the road, it is essential to understand that regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your vehicle in top condition. Don't worry if you are new to car ownership. We've got you covered with this 10 tip that every beginner should know. By following the simple guidelines, you will not only extend the life of your car, but also ensure your safety on the road. Hello car lovers, welcome to your auto clinic solution on YouTube. If today is your first time of visiting, thank you very much. I do not take this opportunity for granted. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's dive into what we have today. One of the tips for maintaining car for beginner is regular oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, so make sure to change it according to your manufacturer's recommendation. Thus keep your engine running smoothly and prevent wear and tear. 2. Check the tire pressure. Check the tire pressure. Proper tire pressure ensures optimal fuel efficiency, improves handling, and extends tire life. Invest in a reliable tire gauge and check your tire at least once a month. 3. Inspect fluid level. Regularly check your car's fluid level, including coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Low level can lead to engine damage or poor performance. 3. Keep an eye on the battery. A dead battery can leave you stranded, so it is essential to monitor its health regularly. Check for corrosion on the terminals to ensure they are tightly connected. If your battery is more than 3 years old, consider getting it tested or replaced. 4. Replace worn wiper blades. Clear visibility is crucial for safe driving, especially during inclement weather. Replace one wiper blade every 6 months to ensure they effectively clear your windshield of rain and debris. 5. Inspect and replace air filter. Clean air filters promote better engine performance and fuel efficiency. Check your air filter regularly and replace it as needed, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or as recommended by your car's manufacturer. 6. Don't neglect the brakes. Your brakes are your first line of defense on the road. Pay attention to signs of brake wear, such as squeaking or grinding noises, brake pedals or longer stopping distances. If you notice any of those signs, have your brake inspected by a professional. 7. Regularly rotate your tires. Uneven tire wear can lead to handling issues and compromise your safety. Rotate your tire every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wears and prolong tire life. 8. Keep your exterior clean and protected. Regular washing and waxing not only keep your car looking sharp, but also protect its paint from damage caused by dirt, debris, Invest in quality car washing supplies and establish a routine for keeping your car clean. 9. Pay attention to warning lights. Modern cars are equipped with varieties of warning lights that indicate potential issues. Don't ignore this warning. Address them promptly to prevent more significant problems from occurring. 10. Schedule regular maintenance. Finally, don't overlook the importance of routine maintenance. Schedule regular check-up with a qualified mechanic to catch any any potential issues early and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. By incorporating these simple practices into your routine, you will not only extend the lifespan of your vehicle, but also drive with confidence, knowing that you are taking good care of your ride. Thanks for tuning in and happy driving. Please share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.